Hello everybody. So I went ahead and added my purple fabric to this Hello Kitty little plush stuffed teddy bear that I have, and I added it here on top of my shelf in my office bedroom. And then I have the Hello Kitty sign over here. Y'all, I'm not holding a tripod or anything, so y'all have to excuse the wiggleness of my camera. So it's looking like that. I'm also thinking about adding my Hello Kitty up here to this top shelf. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, so I think I love this look better. I have my Hello Kitty that has on its purple bow and purple sweater right there. And then this cute little flower decor that I have. And then this Pachaco little like keychain, if you want to call it that. And then eucalyptus. And then I put my other artificial plant right here, and I'm just loving the vibe for now. And of course my roses, they are hanging in there, especially this one right here and this one and that one. But yeah, these right here are starting to dry out. But anyways, I changed out the water on them today. Yes, I'm just loving the white rose vibes right now. Let me put that up there. Hold on, y'all, because I'm holding this camera. Yeah, so boom, this is the look. I need to take these little pumpkins and put them somewhere. Okay, so this is what I did. I put the, little pumpkin and flower decor right there. And I'm just loving this little look for now. Yes. Okay, y'all, I need to fill these jars up with some black pepper and thyme that I purchased. Let me tell you, y'all, that was messy. Okay, y'all, I've been thawing out some chicken because I'm going to make some Caribbean style baked chicken. That's what I'm doing tonight. Let me get out some rice. I have a whole bag of rice that I need to use up as well. But before we do anything, we have to clean the rice. Yeah, it's important to clean rice. I don't want any dirty rice, right? So I'm gonna rinse the rice and start cooking. Hello everybody. So I am back with another Friday plan with me in this part of the vlog. Let me put on my Carmex because my lips are dry. Okay, I have an appointment on the 21st. I gotta know that it's at 8 a.m. And then that Friday I gotta sign papers. And then I am working November the 28th, which is Thanksgiving. And I need my little tweezers.